I'm going to tell you about 5 upgrades we've made to the Configura Comfort. First thing is the backrest side wings. They are now very easy to remove with a sliding on and off mechanism. Second thing, we have white pinstripe stitching, which gives it a nice, sleek and modern design and also makes it very easy to recognize. Third thing, we have an easy to pull mechanism that makes it now very easy to remove the armrests, to switch them over to decrease or increase the internal width. The other thing that we can do now also with the pulling mechanism is we can actually slide the armrest back, which allows us to have closer access with our sit-to-stand transfer aids, which makes it a lot easier for the client to do their sit-to-stand transfers, a lot less effort and a lot less stress. And the last upgrade is the lithium-ion battery, which now allows us to have a battery backup, so we have uninterrupted support with our chair, even in the event of a power outage. All of these upgrades we've made make it easier and quicker to do all of the fitting, which means we have more time with our client and more time for care.